Okay, it's 10 to 8. We missed the last stretch and fold because, you know, life happens. So it goes. This is where we're at with the dough. So now it's time to form the loaves. So tip it out on the countertop.
Wow, look at that beast!
It's a beast. 5 loaves. Now,
I should have bought some more bagels.
where is the other tool?
I saw him in a funny place, like in the bathroom or something. One of those guys.
Yeah, where is it?
I think in the bathroom, maybe.
Not in the bathroom. Ah, here we are. Okay, so this is the thing I was looking for. It's like a sort of some special tool for this kind of job. And the idea now is that we want to form 5 equal-sized loaves. The dough, so put into it, and then you put it, work it around, trying to stretch the skin of the dough, sort of like that. Get yourself something like that, and that's only one. Leave it over there. Alright, this is number 2. 5 equal-sized loaves is what we're going for, but at this point, it's not a deal breaker. You see here, big bags of air. This is all good yeasty stuff, and it also tells you that your gluten is well formed. If you can form sort of like a bubble like that, you know that stretchy, chewy, gluteny stuff. Just roll it around until you get a nice sort of roundy loaf there. I don't know if you can see another bubble there under the skin. That's all signs that you're in the right place. And the next guy. Good. Make some room. Number 4. This, I guess, is a bit of a skill, this sort of pushing it around and stretching it out, you know. I'm much more experienced at this than I used to be, but even in the early days, the loaves were good. So doing it like this, it's, you know, not a deal breaker if you don't have this level of, you know, familiarity with rounding them up. Number 5. He's definitely the daddy. He feels like a bit heavier, so later on we can pare a little bit off the big one, share it out if needs be. Or you just have a larger loaf than the others, but that's alright. The imperfections are what make it look fancy. Alright. So that is 5 loaves. You see there? And what we're going to do now is what they call bench rest, which means you leave them alone for the next half hour or so. I'll probably be leaving them alone for maybe an hour because I have the kids to bed and do a bunch of other things, so I'll come back to it when I get to it. At this point what I use is rice flour, and this I use just to dust on the top of them, and I'm going to use it to line the rising baskets. Let me just show you that in a minute. So I just dust on a little bit of rice flour. This is very good at sort of repelling the moisture and stuff, helping a crust to form. It's good, I find, on a pizza peel as well. If you're looking to just put something on the base of a pizza peel, slide into the oven, a bit of rice flour does wonders for that. Alright, I've just got it flattened out here, and take a clean tea towel now, or something like that. That's what I use, and wrap them up. And so there you go. And I'm going to come back to them now in about half hour, 45 minutes, and actually put them in the rising baskets. So what I use are these, what are called bannetons. These are special baskets. When I form the loaves, I'll put them in here, and then they will live in these baskets until tomorrow morning, when I'll take them out and actually put them in the oven. This is the flour from last week in them, so I'm just going to give them a bit of a brush out now. I won't do that on camera. I'll brush them out and then prepare them for the next round. So I'll see you in about half an hour, 40 minutes.